In today's video, I'm going to teach you to contact American Express customer support. Let's make this simple and stress-free. The most direct way to reach support is by calling the customer service number printed on the back of your American Express card. Take a moment to find your card and flip it over. You'll see a toll-free number dedicated to your specific card type. Calling that number helps route you to the right team faster. Before you dial, it's smart to have your card handy and be in a quiet place so you can clearly hear the prompts and provide any verification details if asked. When the automated system picks up, listen carefully to the menu options. These prompts are designed to send you to the best department for your concern, whether it's a question about a recent charge, rewards, your statement, or a lost or damaged card. You can usually respond by pressing a number or speaking your choice. If you're not sure which option fits, pick the one that's closest to your issue. You can always explain more once you're connected. If the system offers it, you can say representative or agent to move toward a live person. After you make your selection, you'll be placed in the queue to connect with a customer service representative. Hold times vary, so consider using speakerphone and staying near good reception. While you wait, gather key details like the date of the charge you're asking about or the part of your statement you want to clarify. Having that information ready can speed things up once you're on the line. If you prefer not to call, you can also reach support through the American Express website or mobile app. Log into your account securely, then look for the help, support, or chat section. From there, you can start a conversation with a representative or use guided help to find quick answers. The chat feature can be especially handy if you need to reference details on your screen or if you're in a place where calling isn't convenient. Once you're connected, by phone or chat, clearly explain your issue. Start with the key points, share any relevant dates or amounts if it's about a transaction, and let the representative guide you through next steps. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification and consider noting any confirmation numbers or follow-up timelines they provide. And that's it. That's how you can easily contact American Express customer support anytime you need help.